Hello, good morning students. In the last video, we discussed formula for horizontal sharing. किस स्टेट को कितना शेयर मिलना चाहिए? We have discussed 14 Finance Commission has fixed certain criteria for sharing tax revenue amongst the states: population, area, fiscal capacity, distance, etc. etc. Today we are going to discuss grants in aid. Vertical devolution and horizontal devolution is under Article of 280 of the Constitution, and these grants in aid are 275, Article 275 under the of the Constitution. Grants in aid क्यों चाहिए? 14 Finance Commission has accepted three types of grant. First is revenue deficit grant, second is disaster relief grant, and third grants for local bodies. Revenue deficit grant is the main grant. It is very important grant for equalizing concept. There are some states deficit कब होगा? जब हमारा एक्सपेंडिचर रेवेन्यू से ज्यादा होगा. देयर आर सम स्टेट्स वेयर एक्सपेंडिचर नीड इज मोर देन देयर सोर्सेस ऑफ रेवेन्यू. उसकी फिजिकल कैपेसिटी कम है. दिस इज द फॉर्मूला एक्सेप्टेड बाय 14 फाइनेंस कमीशन. एक्सपेंडिचर नीड माइनस ओन रेवेन्यू माइनस टैक्स डिवोल्यूशन. टैक्स डिवोल्यूशन के अंतर्गत उसको जितना भी शेयर मिला वो भी कंसीडर करेंगे, मगर वो कंसीडर करके भी वो अपना एक्सपेंडिचर नीड को मीट नहीं कर सके. दे आर नॉट एबल टू मीट देयर एक्सपेंडिचर नीड. सो देयरफॉर दे नीड स्पेशल असिस्टेंट, फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंट फ्रॉम द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट. सो देयरफॉर दैट इज नोन एज रेवेन्यू डेफिसिट ग्रांट. उनकी रेवेन्यू डेफिसिट है उसको. So 14 Finance Commission has recommended total revenue deficit grant of rupees 1,94,821 crore, which will be benefited to 11 states. उसमें से 7 स्टेट ऐसे है, आंध्र प्रदेश, AP, HP, हिमाचल प्रदेश, जम्मू एंड कश्मीर, मणिपुर, मिजोरम, नागालैंड एंड त्रिपुरा. 14 Finance Commission has mentioned that they will revenue deficit grant for the whole award period. Means each year of the award period. मतलब उसको 2015 से 2020 तक हर साल revenue deficit grant की जरूरत होगी. These states are in extreme need. उसके expenditure, उसके revenue के sources से ज़्यादा से. So these states will require revenue deficit grant for the whole period. On the other hand, there are other 4 states like Assam, Kerala, Meghalaya and West Bengal. These states will be provided grants for at least 1 year of the award period. मतलब 2015 से 2020 के बीच में कोई एक साल उसको रेवेन्यू डेफिसिट ग्रांट की जरूरत होगी. 7 states will be provided for the 5 years and these 4 states will be provided for 1 year. Second, disaster relief grant. 13 Finance Commission has merged different disaster fund into single fund. So there are 2 funds: National Disaster Relief Fund, NDRF, which is fully funded by the central government. आप लोगों ने NDRF टीवी में देखा ही होगा. कोई भी डिजास्टर हो, फ्लड हो, लैंडस्लाइड, सुनामी, अर्थक्वेक, NDRF टीम is always there. Particularly in flood के सिचुएशन में तो NDRF team has done commendable job. Along with NDRF, there is also State Disaster Relief Fund, SDRF, and in so far as SDRF is concerned, contribution ratio is 10 to 90. मतलब only 10% contribution will be from the state government, while rest of 90% contribution will be coming from the central government or union government. States की capacity कम है तो उसको contribution कम देना पड़ेगा 10%, and 90% will be borne by central government. Earlier the ratio was 25:75, and 14 Finance Commission has reduced this ratio is 10:90. डिजास्टर रिलीफ, इससे एक बात अभी याद आए कि आसाम इज फेसिंग अ वेरी सीरियस प्रॉब्लम ऑफ फ्लड एट प्रेजेंट टाइम. Over 26 lakh people affected due to flood. More than 110 people lost their lives. 100 animals of Kaziranga National Park had died due to flood. पूरा आसाम पानी में है, फिर भी हमारी मेन स्ट्रीम मीडिया उसको कुछ न्यूज़ दे रही नहीं खास. This is the role of media in India. Okay, you can understand. This is the situation with the national disaster. That's why I have mentioned the topic. Okay, but you have to keep in mind that there are two types of fund: NDRF and SDRF. Third, grants for local bodies. We discussed earlier that our federal structure, our financial structure is federal by nature. Central government provides grants to state governments, and state government distribute it among the local governments, municipal corporations and gram panchayats. So the criteria for grants for local body is two criteria has fixed. 2011 population, उसको weightage दिया गया है 90%. Area has been given weightage of 10%. Only two criteria: 2011 population 90%, area 10%. टोटल ग्रांट्स लोकल बॉडीज को दी गई है 2,87,436 करोड़. हाउ मच? 2 lakh. These grants has been provided by central government to the state for distribution to the local body, rupees 2,87,436 crore. Out of this, gram panchayats will get 2,292.2 crore, means about 69%. It is quite consistent with the principle of equity. हमने नीति आयोग में डिस्कस किया है कि about 69% of population still living in rural area in at present time. Urban rural ratio है 69 to 69 is equal to 31. Okay, so obviously 2,292.2 crore has been given to gram panchayats, while municipal corporations, municipalities will be allotted rupees 87,143.8 crore. Here grants will be provided in two parts: basic grants plus performance grants. So far as panchayats are concerned, the ratio is 90:10. मतलब 90% grants, basic grants, performance grant 10%. So far as municipal corporations are concerned, 80% grants, basic grants, and 20% grants, performance grant. So these are three grants in aid: revenue deficit grant, disaster relief grant, and third is grants for local bodies. Total transfer as per tax devolution कितना है? रुपीज 39,48,187 crore. Grants, all three grants 5,37,354 crore. So aggregate transfer during the period of 2015 to 2020 कितना है? रुपीज 44,85,541 crore. इसमें all three types of grant. Revenue deficit grant is 1,94,821 crore. Then disaster relief grant is 55,091 crore, and grants for local body 2,87,436 crore. Okay, so this is about 14 Finance Commission. We have discussed 14 Finance Commission in 3 videos. In first video, we discussed meaning of federal finance, role of Finance Commission, and vertical devolution. In the second video, we discuss horizontal transfer, and in third video, we discuss grants in aid, revenue deficit grant, disaster relief grant, and grants for local bodies, as well as total transfer from central government to states. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much.